Angry voters await members of parliament in August poll. 42% of them saying it's over for their members of parliament. We will not re-elect them.
Same story. We were talking about whether they'll come back. It's part of the question you're asking people today. I guess the jury is still out on this one.
Right, and then there's a few graphs and pie charts on the front page, just according to the regions and what they have to say. So when you take a look at Nairobi, for example, they say they're very likely to, 49% of Nairobians say they're likely to elect their members of their member of parliament. Like the likes of Rift Valley, 37% of them say they will re-elect their members of parliament. But there's a bit of disparity, of course.
There you go. Yeah,
there's disparity, but remember that generally, in all elections in this country, 60%, 70% of legislators are sent home. The question that we probably need to ask ourselves is, does it lead to change? And why doesn't it lead to change? Because the people do their part. They will send home these people. I do not know that sending them home is a good thing, but they will do it anyway. And then cycle after cycle after cycle, we are yearning for change that we won't get. So is there a disconnect in our political structure where we change the people and still nothing changes?
That is a very valid question.
absolutely. All right, let's look at page 2.